Malacanang is encouraging Bugalyon, Pangasinan Mayor Rodrigo Orduna to reveal all that he knows about illegal hueteng operations in the province. Presidential spokesman Edwin Lacerda also assured that security will be provided for the safety of Mayor Orduna. The local executive earlier revealed the so-called three kings who benefited from the alleged hueteng payola. These allegedly included former First Gentleman Mike Arroyo, former DILG Secretary Ronaldo Puno, and the former PNP chief.
For a mayor to be exposing things like that against a governor on hueteng, bibihira ito. So wag nating i-dismiss lang na hueteng na naman. Yung ganon. Sana ang executive department, lalo na ang DILG, ay get to the bottom. Karamihan sa vote buying money comes from hueteng money. So yun ang aking interest ngayon, yun ang aking concern ngayon as coming from the COMELEC, vote buying linked to hueteng money.